There are people out there making millions every month from Instagram Reels, so why can't you make 30K a month? With AI at your disposal, there's never been a better and quicker way to generate money using Instagram. All you need to do is put 3 days into your preparation, and the rest? AI will follow suit to help you in your journey to become not just famous on Instagram, but bring you some of those dollars you've been dreaming about. So, ready for step 1? Pick a niche and create an Instagram account. Yes, we're starting from scratch, and the first step is that you need to pick a niche for your content. This is a critical step because it's going to shape all your decisions moving forward. Now, it's also crucial that you don't overthink this. This is your first day of committing yourself to making 30K every month. You don't want to get demotivated. If you're having trouble coming up with some ideas for your niche, you can always get help from ChatGPT, your personal creative manager. Just put in a prompt for niche ideas for an Instagram account 2023 and choose whatever fits your personality. As every platform has different viral niches, the Instagram audience might have different preferences, so you just have to make sure you settle on a niche that the audience on Instagram will surely be interested in. After you've picked out your niche, you need to create a professional Instagram account so you can get access to creator tools. And if you've trouble picking out a name for your account, you can use Namelicks to generate tons of account names based on your niche, and you can pick one that stands out for you. Standing out in your niche. The next step is to find a way you can stand out in your chosen niche. What is one thing that will make you stand out in a sea of other content creators in your niche? Now, this can be anything, from a different editing style to a different angle. For example, you have chosen a true crime horror niche. It's famous, it's attention-grabbing, and every creator has a different style or angle that they bring to the table. What's more, you can even use AI-generated faceless talking avatars. It's new and famous on YouTube, but you'll find a considerable number of people on Instagram as well who'll be invested in such content. Plus, there are tons of AI tools that will help you create the perfect long and short reels for your account in under 15 minutes. Here, you just have to do a little research and see what works for you, because if you pick something that's tiring and boring for you, you'll lose your video posting consistency. So, brainstorm something that you can commit to for the long haul. Yes, you can change up your style every now and then, but only after you've secured yourself over 10 to 15,000 followers. Creating viral-worthy content. This step is your make or break step, however. You don't need to worry a bit because we're going to tell you about all the AI tools that will assist your content creating journey. The science behind viral content is that you need to give something to people that will have them hooked onto their screens. It has to be a video that's worth engaging with and sharing with other people. You know how if you find something that makes you crack up, you want your friends to watch it too? Yep, just like that. You have to provide them with something worthy enough so they can stop their endless scrolling and watch it. Short reels go viral often because they're like quick dopamine providers. Less time, more laughter. Long reels need to put in a bit more effort, so creators mostly create them in a storytelling style. Now, depending on your niche, you can pick which one you want to go with. Before you jump into content creation, keep this criterion in mind. Will people stop to watch my content? Will they share it with their friends? And will they have the urge to leave comments on it? When you're answering these questions, list down the reasons for your answers as well. This will give you a vision board to create your content. If your answer to these questions is yes, then you're on the right track. AI tools for viral reels. The meat of this video. What tools can you use to make your Instagram monetization journey easy? It's simple because you need to choose any 3 perfect tools. One for script generation, one for video generation, and the last one for voiceovers. Now, if you're the kind of person who's comfortable on camera and you like your voice, don't worry, we have an AI tool to assist you in all the arenas. For your video script, you can use either Squibbler.io or ChatGPT to generate your engaging and uniquely styled script. The best thing about Squibbler.ai is that it helps you retain your special style, so it'll assist you with your ideas, but it will not make them look artificial. Plus, the interface is intuitive and easy to use, so you'll have no problem learning it. ChatGPT, on the other hand, can take over your style and insert its quirkiness into it, but it's quick with the content. You can always edit your scripts before putting them into your video generator. In fact, you can ask ChatGPT to give you the specific keywords for the visuals you'll need for your video generation. Once you're set on the script, you have to adjust your hands on a video AI tool. There are plenty out there, but some of them are free and some of them are not. One of the best tools for video editing and generation is Veed.io, and it caters to every kind of content creator out there. If you're the kind who likes to create your own videos, you can use Veed to edit and style them. You can use it to insert subtitles and translations hassle-free. But if you're the person who doesn't have the time to create your own videos, Veed will provide you with stock videos that you can use. You can choose any one or multiple videos from their collection and change the text, images, or anything else you want to make it more suitable for your content. These stock videos, a game changer by the way, are professionally filmed, so you can rest easy knowing that the quality will always be top-notch. You can even add your own message or photos to personalize it. Now, when you're done with your video creation process, you need to whip out your voiceover tricks. To bring magic to your script, you've got the award-winning Lovo AI at your service. It's a one-stop shop for all your video needs. From video editing to text-to-speech voiceovers, Lovo AI will make your Instagram journey magical with viral-worthy content. You have 500+ options to choose from for your text-to-speech conversion. Jenny, their generative AI, will fulfill all your video creation needs. If you don't want to use a separate AI tool for creating your compelling videos, you can just use Jenny, and you'll have your scripts, voiceover, and everything else ready in just minutes. Replication. Okay, this step is all about stepping into the waters. Once you've created your first reel, you need to post it on your account to see what kind of reach it gets. It's perfectly fine if it's not a lot because this journey is a marathon, not a sprint. You need to bear in mind that consistency is key here. In the old times, the times before AI revolutionized our world, creators only used to post 5 to 10 videos in a month. But you're not going to adhere to this formula. You have to post at least 50+ videos to hit the benchmark for monetization, as the more videos that are out there, the more chances you have of getting a viral hit. Once you've got a viral hit, you need to replicate the same formula for your next viral videos. You can use Midjourney AI to replicate the characters, or Pictory to set a template for your videos. This way, you won't have to go through the entire process over and over again. See? AI is nothing to be afraid of. It's a mere tool to get your money in the bank. Bringing everything all together. The coolest thing about Instagram is that it has plenty of options for you to earn some cash. Once you've got your thing going on, you can use a subscriber-exclusive option to give people access to your best content. Is there something you believe you shouldn't be offering for free? Boom! Create and use this tool for exclusivity on your content. Other than this, you can partner up with different brands that go with your style to dive into the world of affiliate marketing. You promote a certain brand, and you get a commission for it for every buy from it. Apart from Instagram monetization tools, you can use AI to automate your entire Instagram feed as well. Tools like Social Studio AI will cut your time in half to manage an Instagram account while you focus on other stuff. With its AI assistant, you can automate your content creation, design, and post times to make everything flow more easily, so you don't need to worry about picking the right hashtags and all. Are you prepared to start making $30K every month? Don't forget to let us know in the comments below and subscribe for more updates.